New cases of COVID-19 in Alberta, bringing the total to 1,348 and another death.
A woman in her 80s in Calgary zone. This is the 11th death that has occurred at the Mackenzie Town long-term care facility.
Dr. Dina Hinshaw believes over 200 cases are now from community spread. Hinshaw saying the new data showing that there could be more asymptomatic transmission than originally thought, leading to a change in priorities of who they're testing.
We have expanded our testing priorities to include individuals with shortness of breath, runny nose, cough, fever, or sore throat who perform the following roles: group home and shelter workers, first responders including firefighters, provincial and federal correctional staff, and those involved in COVID-19 enforcement, such as police, peace and bylaw officers, and public health inspectors.
Additionally, those 65 and older who have any of the following symptoms, fever, cough, sore throat, or runny nose, can get tested. Meantime, the province announcing new temporary rules, which they say will provide job protection for workers and flexibility for employers during this pandemic.
Employees who need to care for children affected by school and daycare closures, or caring for an ill or self-isolated family member due to COVID-19, is entitled to unpaid job-protected family leave. We have waived the 90-day employment requirement, and the leave length is flexible.
The province also increasing the maximum time for a temporary layoff from 60 to 120 days, allowing employees to stay attached to a job longer. And for employers, the province removing the 24-hour written notice needed for shift changes and the 2 weeks notice for changes to work schedules and changes to group terminations.
We are also removing the requirement to provide 8 to 16 weeks notice when 50 or more employees are being terminated at the same time.
The Premier is addressing the province Tuesday evening live at 6 p.m. on City News, where he will release modeling data on how experts believe this virus will affect Alberta, as well as the numbers on how ready our healthcare stockpiles are to fight it. In Calgary, Tara Overholt, City News.